We have Ms. Ruchika Kohli from SAP Concur. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Could you tell us a bit about how you are using AI in your company and what is the user experience and feedback?
Absolutely. So SAP Concur's focus towards AI goes to a decade back. It's been more than a decade that we've understood the importance of bringing in AI in our features. And year on year, you would see that we have started incorporating AI capability in Concur, from request assistant, which can give you an estimate of your travel at the stage when you're planning, to bringing in intuitive method of booking your tickets, giving you the lowest logical fare that is coming automatically and not dependent on a human. And then while you're submitting your expense reports, AI through machine learning would capture details from your receipt, be it a hard copy or a soft copy, would automatically identify any non-compliant spend, which could be a duplicate or an AI generated receipt. So this is something that we are now doing automatically with the help of AI without any human intervention.
Okay. What is the biggest challenge your industry is facing this year?
I would not call it a challenge, but a change which we have been very aggressive in adapting is bringing in AI technology in Concur as a product and meeting the customer requirement by adapting to the technology.
Okay. And what skills do you think the next generation CFO must have?
CFOs and I would say the entire workforce, what we need to understand is adaptability to change. Understand that the change can bring
हाँ,
in
बस यही है उसमें.
improvisation, can bring in reduction in a lot of aspects that we might have not thought right now. So, adaptation, unlearning, and then learning again is something which will help all of us in our jobs.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.